Blue armor. You'll be alright, bro. You don't need it. Don't die anyway. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it was gonna be a gold prowler. Somebody's here, above you, above us. Enemy. On me. Bake them. Random, where you at, bro? Oh, that's you over there, alright. Let's go. We shook with them. I'm about to say, one of them had gold on me, but he took it. I don't care though.
Okay,
Hey, look, watch your back, turn around. Other side of the cart.
behind us.
More people here. Oh my god. Turn around.
Here we out.
Oh my god, bro. So many people here. Heal up. So revive. They're not looking. So many people here.
I gotta get out.
Throw your ultimate as soon as you get up. Come on. Throw your ultimate. And heal up. Get out of there, broski. Get out of there. Oh, they look.
Can we just skedaddle? Yeah, we need to skedaddle.
Let's go. The other man got up. He got this. One more. Octane. Oh, yeah, both got up. Dome shield? Let's go. Come on, we're going around the whole town. Everybody heal up, quick.
Healing up. Give me a sec.
Everybody reload, everybody do everything I can right now. Come on, we shaking out here. I don't even need this prowler piece anymore. Let's have line 2 of them. Static over here, on them. Come on, we shake. Cook them. We've been around the whole city. They on the train? Where your teammates at? You got the vault key, you don't even need the key. You just shake on everybody here. People over here. Over here, in front of me.
On the roof. I hit them.
We should get off this is bad.